matter how long you fight, you can see my...
What is all this? No! What is all this? This is 2 weeks now that Uncle Ibe spoke with my brother David. And he promised him that he's going to call us a meeting and know how we can bring our mother's corpse from India back to this place for burial. Until now, nothing is happening. What is going on? What is all of this?
Honestly, I don't know why David is hesitating from calling a meeting. I don't know why he's doing this.
You said you don't know what is happening? Have you forgotten that he got married to a Jezebel? A Jezebel as a wife, and she has been the one dictating what has been happening in his marriage.
Other people will go and marry Udosiako. My own brother went and married Oriako, a woman that came into this family to destroy everything our late father labored for. She wants to squander the whole thing. Honestly, I never knew that David is a woman rapper. He looks so gentleman.
Hey, whatever you choose to call him, I don't care. But as for me, my mother is going to come back here and her corpse will be buried in this land. That's what I'm saying. Why is this man trying to disgrace the legacy of Chief Dike in this house? In this country? In this our nation? Why? You see what? I will do it my own way this time.
Don't worry yourself. What I know is that our mother's corpse will never be buried or burnt in a foreign land. Mama's body will come back. That is one thing I know. I don't even know how we're going to do it, but she must come back. Eh? Obromanke, this your way. How put this your way? Were you not the one that involved Uncle Ibe? So, you have already brought him into the matter. You have to allow him handle it like an elder. Yeah, Putu.
Okay.
Hey, David.
So David has not called for the meeting he promised me he was going to call?
He has not called, Uncle.
He gave me the assurance he would.
Uncle, the man of the house, the Agada Bachelors or one of Chief Dike's family has said otherwise. Uncle, please talk to him, oh. Talk to him, oh, because if I start now, they will say Chibuzo have started. I am on my own now. Please, I don't want to do it my own way. Please talk to him. Huh? Let him go to India and bring back the corpse of my mother. If he won't go, let him send money.
Okay, let me call him.
Better.
Not picking his calls.
He will not pick. David will not pick your call because he knows why you are calling him. He will not. Uncle, you've done your part. You've tried as an uncle. Now allow me do this thing the way I want to handle it. I will do it my way, and the next call you are going to hear from me is that I have brought my mother's corpse from India back to this country. Uncle, I will do it my way.
Don't do anything stupid.
Uncle, the thing I am going to do right now, he will watch it as a series. Okay, watch the series, sir. Continuously. Uncle, just relax. Go and rest. Let me do it my own way. Uncle David! David! Oh, Mundia!
Stop to enemies. Don't destroy yourself. Fighting. Stop fighting. This is dangerous. Stop fighting. Family has turned to enemies. You have turned to enemies. You have turned to us enemies. Why? Lovely family has turned to enemies. A stitch in time. Fighting. Saves now. This is dangerous. Stop fighting. Lovely family. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Fighting. Stop fighting. This is dangerous.
Get the documents ready.
I just asked you a question. How did the meeting go? What did Uncle Ibe say?
And you know this will not go well. Right in my presence, Uncle Ibe called David severally and he refused speaking his calls. As a matter of fact, I know that he is deliberately avoiding Uncle's calls.
David now one more. David now one more. He's pushing me. David is pushing me and I'm close to the wall. What is wrong with him?
Nothing is wrong with David. David knows exactly what he is doing with that witch he calls his wife. What are we talking about? But what he doesn't know is that in times like this, I can be very, very dangerous. Please, go get the documents ready. Tomorrow we swing to action. That's better. Please, do everything we I want to sound this out. Ready for something very important. Okay? Alright. Thank you so much. This doesn't look too bad.
Jojo. Okay. What's up, man? Hey. How you doing now? Sit down.
You didn't tell me you were selling your watch. I mean, you've always known how I needed the hostel badly. If I had the opportunity you had, I would have built one.
Wait, hold on. What hostel are you talking about?
Your father's hostel at Ibuzo now.
Uh-huh. The hostel did what?
Wait. You're not the one that sold it to Nze and company.
Me? Sold my hostel? How? In my dream? I didn't sell any hostel. What are you talking about?
It was the family agent that handled the business. They told me that they bought it for 65 million naira.
Jesus Christ. My family agent sold my
You're not aware?
Okay, are you joking?
No, how can I be joking with such a thing?
I'm not aware. Who sold my hostel without telling me? Yeah. Sold which hostel? I didn't authorize any sale. Yeah. But okay, come to my office now. You heard me? Come to my office now. Come.
You want to know?
I didn't authorize any sale.
And I was really angry with you. I said, how can you be selling your hostel without consulting me? You knew I needed a hostel.
I did not. What do you mean, like my hostel?
It was last
week, Shibeza called me to the family house. He said that the family needs money to bring down late Chief's wife's body from India. And the family needs to sell one of the property to raise the money.
And what happened?
He brought property documents of the hostel at Ibuzo, and they said we needed urgent buyer.
My hostel?
Yes. I told you the property worth 150 million, and it takes some months to get a buyer. And they said we needed a buyer, like today or next. I told him there is no magic I can do. The only way to get that buyer is to put it on auction price.
Put my property on auction price?
And he asked me how much. And I told him like 60 to 70 million.
Hey.
And he said I should go ahead and sell it.
Hey. You sold a property that I built with my sweat. You sold it for peanuts to enrich yourself. Will you shut up? Shut up! Are you mad? Is it because I'm still taking it easy? Are you mad? A property that I spent money, my hard-earned money to build, they get in a left wall. How can you? It's cheaper than the first son. Why didn't you consult me? Why did you call me? You walked to my father when he was alive for over 20 years. Why in the Oromokem? You get Jenga. You and my brother, both of you will go to jail. When you get there, you'll explain. Get out of my office. God will punish you.
You're all welcome. A great writer called William Shakespeare sometime wrote a literature book called Julius Caesar. And one of the quotes I enjoy in that literature book, I would like to remember it. I enjoyed it a lot. He said, cowards die many times before their death, but the brave never taste of death but once. For all the wonders I have seen, it is a misery that men should fear death. Being a necessary end, will surely come when it will come. What I am doing here today, or talking about, maybe out of fear, or fear of death or something, many people don't have the courage to do it. That is to share their properties when they are alive. Many rely on wills and testament, and at the end of the day, when they are no more, their family go into family wars. And I don't want that to happen in my family. That is the essence of this meeting. The reason I also call my brother Ibe is also to be a witness to everything I've already done. Chibeze.
Yes, Daddy.
I credited your account with 20 million naira. The essence of that money is for you to start your own business. The family business, I want your brother David to have it as his own. It's not only because he's first son, but he worked so much to build that business. That business was almost dead when he joined me. He did not only revive the business with his wonderful ideas, he also took it to another level, which made it an envy of many families today. So, start a business, grow it. Maybe it might even be bigger than the family business. Okay?
Okay.
And let me emphasize this. All the properties I've shared here today were built by David. The only thing I built is this family house. The 3-story building in Awada, the hostel in Ebuzo, the warehouse in Main Market were all built by David. And as far as I'm concerned, I've checked my conscience. I am sure that I have shared them accordingly between my children. The only one I left out is the hostel at Ebuzo.
Father, why don't you do justice to that one as well, just as you've done to the other properties, so we'll know that you've shared everything.
That hostel actually belonged to David. But for now, he cannot claim ownership of it.
I don't understand.
Well, the reason I don't want to hand it over to him now is that I want the proceeds from that hostel. My wife should be using it to run the family house. Chibueze don't have a house of his own now. Foma is not married yet. They are all your responsibility. And we have domestic staffs. So whatever proceed is coming from that hostel, we should be using them to take care of this responsibility.
Okay. It's clear now.
Yeah. I will now hand over the documents of the hostel in Ebuzo to my wife or to David, the rightful owner. I will hand it to a neutral person. And at the right time, the person will now hand it over to the rightful owner. Ifoma.
Yes, Daddy.
You are my first child. And I trust your judgment. I will hand over the document of the hotel in Ebuzo to you. On no condition will you hand it over to your mother, because she is not the owner. She's a temporary beneficiary.
Okay, Dad.
But when she's no more, you should hand it over to David, who is the rightful owner. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, Dad.
One of the reasons I called even my brother here to be a witness, I want him to be here when I will hand over this document to you, the document of the hostel in Ebuzo, at the right time, when your mother is no more. Make sure you hand it over to David, the rightful owner.
Okay, Dad.
Sorry.
When?
Today.
Where's the former?
Today inside.
Reformer! 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 Where is she? Reformer!
Ogini, what is it? Why are you screaming my name? Ifoma, Ibolumafa! It's like you've lost it.
Yes, I've lost the respect that I have for you because you threw it away. Now anybody can insult you anyhow. Where are my property documents? Where are they?
Which document?
Which property? My documents, my hostel documents, the one at Ebuzo. The documents that father handed over to you and told you to give them to me at the right time. Once mother passes away, you give them to me. Get my documents.
Huh. don't know what you're saying. Which property?
Are you deaf? Where are my documents?
Oh, that means you've heard. Anyway, I knew your coming and ranting is because of it. I've been expecting you anyway.
So it's true. Ifeoma, it's true. You and your brother connived and sold my inheritance. Something I built from scratch. Something our father handed over the documents to you, trusted you to hold them until the right time, then you give them to me. You sold my inheritance, you.
Why haven't you called for the family meeting the way you promised Uncle Ibe? Why haven't you started arrangement to bring back Mama's corpse? Why? Why will you abandon her in India?
What's all this nonsense? Am I the only child of the late chief? Am I? Didn't father share his property and money amongst all of us? Didn't he? My brother Chibeze got the 3-story building in Awada with 20 million naira. You got the warehouse in the market with 5 million naira. Nanya was given 15 million naira after her wedding and she used it to relocate her family abroad. I got mine, so why should I be the only one to bring money? Why?
Yes. Because you are the one father handed over the family business. The main thing is they go Shaputa, so you should be the one spending the money. Now with the family business.
So that's why you sold me inheritance.
Wait, were you expecting me before to cross my legs, sit down and watch you and your useless wife abandon Mama in India? It's not possible. Hey, I had to do it to bring Mama back. Since you don't want to do the needful, I have done it! This same property you're even talking about is her late husband's property. Oh, okay, yeah, not yours. And I've done the needful. You can't accord it.
You've done the needful. That's what you're telling me, Ifeoma, to my face. You sold my property. You're telling me you've done the needful. Fine, it's alright. We just know this. My property that both of you stole and sold must be given back to me. Bring back that body from anywhere, but our mother will not be buried. Mark my words, even if it takes 1,000 years, my mother will not be buried until my inheritance that you stole and sold is brought back and given back to me.
Huh?
Babe, say you see the people you're fighting for. The people you are fighting for, look at their lives now. Just look at it. Look at the mess they do. Just take a look at them.
The only thing that boy knows is just to sell property and squander the money on women and partying. What kind of stupid, what kind of useless brother is this? Just 2 years after our father died, he sold the 3-story building in Awada. A property I built. I built it from scratch while I was working with our father doing the family business. He sold it completely and squandered the whole money, went back to square zero. That was after he blew 20 million naira that was given to him to start a business. What kind of brother is this now?
Hey! Squandemia, one of DK family. That is the title he deserves. That is what we are supposed to call him. Just imagine.
Oh, do you know what is paining me the most? We sold this property for a paltry sum. Small money, hostel that I suffered to build. Because they got it on a platter of gold. They don't know the value. They sold it for a very less than half the value. Something that I worked so hard to build. But will I ever survive this thing? Will I forgive these people? Will I come out of this loss?
Babe, you're still awake. You're not sleeping. Baby, why are you doing this to yourself? You're getting yourself worked up. You've been thinking. And I don't like it. Fine. I know that God will help you get another property. You were the one that bought this one. You built it yourself. You worked for it. You did it with your hard-earned money. You will still build another one. Oh? Pico, no. Please. Stop doing this to yourself so you will not fall sick. If you keep thinking like this now, you have BP. What will I do?
You know, it's all your fault. It's your fault. If you had agreed to my decision, I wouldn't have lost that property.
Yes, I know. And I admit it. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't know better. Please. Can you just stop thinking and sleep? Nambiko. Come on. Please. Look at, are you not the one buying properties now? You've been buying properties here and there. Don't worry. Go to replenish. If you keep thinking like this, BP become more.
They gave you your own passion, you misuse a child. They gave you pounds and dollars, you misuse a girl. They gave you naira, you misuse a girl.
Odogu. I'm just coming back from Lagos. I told you I'm going to do it my way. I just received the corpse of my mother at the airport.
Wait. Chibeze, are you telling me you brought back the corpse of your mother down to this village?
Uncle Jime, when I tell you that I'm going to do it my own way, as I speak to you right now, the remains of my mom is at St. Mary's Hospital in this village. Oh, Batago.
Chibeze. Chibeze.
Uncle.
Go with Dike.
Oh,
go with Dike. You are the Dike Junior.
Hey. Oh,
I na-ekwe na-eme ọka obulu ụzọ
ịmanya gom ka mbịa
oyi na-atụ mba. Hey! Nwaanyị ọka anatagon. Nwaanyị ọka abatagon.
When I told you to believe in me,
Chibeze,
I wasn't blabbing.
Gagaga.
I wasn't blabbing.
Ọka obulu ụzọ.
Waliwega.
Ọka obulu ụzọ.
Liwega.
Ọka obulu ụzọ.
Lega.
Dike Junior. A na-ekwe na-eme. A na-ekwe na-eme.
Odogwu ka ọ mụrụ.
Chibeze ka ịbụ.
Odogwu ka ọ mụrụ.
Chibeze ka ịbụ.
Odogwu ka ọ mụrụ. Odogwu ka ọ mụrụ.
Na Chibeze. Ọ bụrụ eze gabanụ. Ọ bụrụ eze gabanụ.
Ọ naghị ezi okwu.
Nwaanyị ọka no.
Hey.
No.
Why did you choose to be black sheep in the house? Was the one more organic? They gave you money, you misuse a boy.
You didn't see the 1 million I transferred into your account?
Oh, I saw it. And you expect me to jump up, sing some beautiful love song to you? After spending your time with naked prostitutes and strippers and club? What is wrong with you? Who has caused you never to be responsible in your life? You were busy throwing money in the club. The money that was recovered from the properties you sold. Your brother's property, which was meant to bring your mother's corpse to Nigeria. Isn't it?
Enough. Enough before I lose it. What is wrong with you? What is your problem? So I am not going to enjoy myself and have fun because you are my girlfriend. Huh? What are you talking about? Even my late mother didn't police me the way you are.
And I am not your mother.
You raise your voice at me. Don't ever raise your voice at me.
Chibueze, I am not your mother. And I am sick and tired of dating a man who has no bearing and life focus. All you do is spend money which you don't know how to make.
Calm down. I am sorry, okay? That's why you're in my life. So you can shape me into your dream man.
Shaping in you? Chibueze, I cannot kill myself in the name of shaping a man that refused to be shaped. This is not what I bargained for. This is not what I want. This is not the man I want to be proud of. This is not the man I want to be the father of my unborn children.
Nebuto, like I told you, see, if you leave me, I'm going to die. So don't do that, please. See, okay. I will change, alright? The remaining money with me, I'm going to use it for importation business. And with that, I can use it and make money and money that will sustain us still.
Chibueze, I don't care anymore. If you want to die, you better die. It will be better for all of us. It will save all of us from this thing.
Come, I said I will change. Babe.
Chibueze, how much is remaining from the money? You heard me?
I haven't calculated it. I will do it very soon.
What do you mean you haven't calculated it? Are you going to take century to do that?
I just came back now. Allow me to rest, at least.
Rest from what? Chibueze, you know how much you sent to the Indian hospital. You know how much you gave the ambulance people. You also know how much it took you to bring down Mama from Lagos to East. So, what are you calculating? You should know your balance.
Didn't I lodge in a hotel in Lagos? Didn't I pay? I ate in Lagos. I filled my car to Lagos and all the things I was running around in Lagos. Those were expenses I did. I've not calculated it. Calm down now, sis.
Well, of course I know. You spent money, you lodged in a hotel, you ate food. Yes. Add all that. Even if you sum up all that and your little expenses, Chibueze, you know how much. The phone is with you. You receive credit and debit alert. So you should know how much you have in that phone. Anyway, I don't want to talk too much. I want you to transfer the remaining balance of that money into my account. And I mean this night.
As what? No! As what now?
Are you kidding me? Did you just ask me as what? Actually, as what? Okay, let me tell you. As the person who gave you that document, as the Ada of Dickens family, because I gave you rights, because I allowed you to collect that money on our behalf, is that why you are asking me as what? I don't blame you. See, let me tell you, I want you to transfer every kobo remaining in that money into my account, and I mean this night. Let it not exceed this night. Chibueze, if you try me, you will see the other side of me. I don't want to repeat myself again. Transfer that money into my account this night.
Stop shouting. I've heard you.
millions of people to build a reputation. But it takes
Levi! Levi!
Madam! Good morning.
Good morning. Chibuze's guy is not here. Where is he?
Hey. Madam. Chibuze wake me up very early in the morning. They never even break. Say, make I open gate for her. Say, they travel.
Travel? Did he tell you where he was traveling to?
Hey. But that Chibuze not tell me where they go. But he carry one small bag when they use the carry travel. Put am inside motor. Drive come out.
I just hope it's not what I'm thinking. Levi, please go to the parlor. You will see my phone on the dining table. Bring it for me.
Okay, madam.
No, it's not possible. No, it's not possible.
Madam.
Thank you. He's busy in my call.
Now what is all this problem now, eh? Allow me now, what is this? Stop calling me.
He wasn't the call.
Hold on.
Switched off.
Hey.
How? I just called his number and it rang. He didn't pick. So what? God. I just hope it's not what I'm thinking. Hey, I just hope it's not what I'm thinking. Hey, Informer, come see Jay. Hey!
What's up now? Eh? What's your guy come to madam, eh?
Mama. What have I done?
Sister, if he refuses to bring out money, let us sell that hostel and bring back our mother's corpse back home.
Chibueze. Chelokwa, did I hear you well? No. What did you just say?
You heard me clearly.
Chibueze, that hostel belongs to David. That is his inheritance. Father gave it to him and you were there. He only gave me those documents to keep it and hand it over to him at the right time. That was his instruction and I cannot go against it. I won't.
Look at what you're saying. How does it sound?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Mm.
So now he has refused to bring out the money. Where do you expect us to bring the money from? Wait. Do you want mommy's corpse to be buried in a foreign land? Is that what you're trying to say? To be buried and burned to ashes? No, now, when she has people like us, what are you talking about?
Boise, Father will not be happy with me if I disobey him. That property is not ours. It's not mine. It's not yours. It's not anybody's but David's own.
Father will be unhappy if you fold this your arms and allow his wife to be buried in a foreign land. We have tried all possible best to see David give us money to do this. But nothing is coming out. So let us use this hostel now. Generate money from it and bring back mother's corpse right from India down to this place. I'm telling you, even if it cost us selling father's business, let us do it. Let it close down. But I know that in his mind, he will be so happy that the money generated will be used to bury his wife in our land. See, let me tell you, I think Father saw a very great vision giving you that property, giving you that document. Maybe it's this time that he saw this going to happen and he decided to give it to you. Mother would be happy, father would be happy. This is the greatest opportunity, greatest chance that we have to do this. Everlasting achievement, I am telling you. I have thought it, but there's nothing I have not thought about. And this one, if this one makes sense, let's not wait. Let's not wait.
Hey! God, what have I done? What have I done? Chibueze deceived me. He deceived me to sell his elder brother's inheritance just for his selfish gain of squandering wealth again. Ifama, why didn't I think of this? Why? Why, God, why? Why? How do I explain this to David? Will he ever forgive me? God, will he ever forgive me? Will David ever forgive me for doing this? Oh, Chineke. Oh, Chineke. Oh, Chibueze, just come and kill me. Chibueze, just kill me. Chibueze, just come and kill me. Oh, God. God, please help me. Help me. God, help me. Help me.
David.
Yep.
It's been over 2 weeks your late mother's body was brought home and nothing has been heard about the burial. What's going on?
That's because there will be no burial happening anytime soon.
What are you talking about?
Same way they stole my inheritance, my property. You should give it back to me. Then and only then will I give my consent for the burial.
Oh, come on, David. You are the first son of the family. It behoves on you to unite your father's family. The onus lies on you to put your family together.
I disagree. The onus lies on my elder sister. She feels she can take wicked decisions without consequences. Fine. Let her go ahead and unite the family. My stand is very simple. If they do not give me back my inheritance they stole and sold, my mother will not be buried.
Even if it takes the whole year?
Even if it takes 10 million years, there will be no burial.
Hello? Chibeze? Chibeze? It is now 2 weeks. Exactly 2 weeks you brought back the corpse of your mother to this village. And you disappeared. Nobody has heard anything from you or from your siblings. Won't you people bury your mother again? What's going on?
Uncle, the thing is that I'm not around now. I traveled to Lagos for a business trip. Uncle, I have played my role, okay? I have fulfilled my promise of bringing Mama's corpse back to the village. Right? If Ifeoma and David, my brother, doesn't want to bury their own mother, no problem. It's all fine. I've done my part. But whenever they fix the date for the burial, Uncle, be rest assured that I will be there to pay last respect to my mom. You want to go? Or David, call Ifeoma to do the needful. I've done my part. So, Uncle, for now, let nobody trouble my peace. Biko, let nobody trouble my peace.
Hello? Chibeze? What is happening to my late brother's family? What is happening to these children? Hi! Chief Dike, what's really happening? Ha! Wanyoka.
Sorry for the lost transmission, right? The interruption. That's my uncle. Let's enjoy ourselves. Oh, come here, come here. Ah! My goodness. Oh, come on. Touch it.
Honestly, I thought I was planning with a human being. I never knew Chibueze is still the same Chibueze we know. He didn't change. He just plotted that avenue for us to sell another property so that he will run away with the money and lavish it on girls and hotels. My dear, I know that Father will be so disappointed at me right now.
You see why Mom said that thing she said? She has envisioned the problem that will come upon this family if she dies here in India. I wanted to avert it on time, yet we couldn't read the handwriting on the wall.
My dear, I honestly wanted to toil the same path with David, but I didn't know what happened. I can't even explain how Chibueze convinced me to join him in committing this abomination. Because to me it's an abomination. I don't know. As if you don't know. To a hotel. Probably with some girls lavishing the money, clubbing, doing all sorts of bad things. And at the end of the day, once the money is finished, you will see him sneaking back into this house. I don't know, I'm just confused. I'm just confused.
What are you doing in my house? Huh? What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house? You evil woman, devil! Leave my house. Get out. Leave!
David.
Ogini.
Please, can you just calm down and listen to me?
I will not listen to anything. You are a murderer. You're a criminal. You should be behind bars. In a loan or idiot. Get out of my house!
David!
I'll use force on you. I will use force on you. Don't call me with that evil mouth of yours. Don't call me! I will push you. Leave my house. Leave! Oh, you're wasting my time. Leave my house. Leave! Leave! Go! Take your bag and go. I will push you. Leave my house. Keep going. Just thank God you're my elder sister. Keep going. Oh, keep going now. I'll push you. Move. Go. Keep going. Keep moving. Continue. Get out. Enter your car and go. Okay. I know it's you. Enter your car and go. Leave. You can leave my house. You're wasting my time. Stop crawling. You're crawling. Enter your car and leave my house. I don't want to see you again.
David, you're sending me out of your house.
Yes.
Remember that I'm your elder sister. And
so, no wonder you Allah very badly. You're a very greedy person. You just revealed yourself. Greedy human being. Come and sell this one too. Leave my house. Get out.
If you're sending me out of your house.
You're wasting my time. Enter your car and leave my house. Just be thanking God you're my elder sister. Just keep thanking God you're my elder sister. Go. Yeah, hey, come here. Why do you open the gate for her? Eh? Why? Shut up. Let this be the very last time. Can you hear me? If I see this woman in this compound again, you will lose your job. Not just that, I'll arrest you. Move out. Go. Enter.
David, you're sending me out of your house.
You won't like what I'll do next. You will not like what I'll do next. Leave.
I'm your elder sister. David, I'm for Gara.
Auntie Informa, please. I don't want to lose my job. Just understand me.
David, I will go.
Go.
I will go. I'm already leaving.
Yes, ma'am. Open the gate.
You went too far.
She also went too far by selling up my inheritance without telling me. What nonsense! Something I labored so hard to build. Something our father handed over to her on trust. She sold it just like that. Where does it happen? What nonsense! See, there is no limit to what I will do to her anywhere I see her until she returns my inheritance intact.
David, please, can you calm down? Can you just take it easy? I know all of this, okay? But she's still your sister. No matter what, she still remains your elder sister. Fine. I know they probably hated me because they feel I do not want you to spend money unnecessarily. But I'm not doing it because I hated them. No. I was doing it because I do not want my husband to spend money unnecessarily. I was trying to save my husband's wealth. Yes.
I beg you. I did not beg you. I didn't ask for your opinion. I didn't beg you. As for my sister Ifoma, she has broken the bond that held us together as brother and sister. It's over.
David!
Not David, me.
Nanya, there is no humiliation or insult David did not melt out on me today. Yet, I know I made a mistake by listening to Chibweze to sell his property. But I'm also human. At least I deserve better. You should at least listen to me. Let me explain myself. Renye, I've accepted my wrong. Yes. I'm a human being. A woman. At least I deserve some love. The same woman without a husband? The same person without a child? The same person without peace of mind? The same person facing all this? Abba, it's too much now. I will die, yo. Then I will kill myself.
Stop crying, sister. I'll help you talk to your brother David. My own is that he needs to stop his anger and bury our mother first.
I just hope so. I just hope so.
Mama is gone, you can see her again. No matter how long you fight, you can see Mama again. Mama is gone, you can see her again.
I believe you know me so well. I mean, if there's one person that knows me very well, it is you, because you're my friend. I'm not a bad person. I'm not wicked. I mean, for some people they think I'm so mean, but I'm not. It is just that I know my rights as a woman and as a wife. And you know me, I don't like my right to be trampled upon. You know it.
True. I can testify to that.
The way my husband literally treated Auntie Ifeoma the last time she was here was not nice at all. I don't like the way he actually treated her. Sister Ifeoma is his elder sister. No matter what, he shouldn't have treated her the way he did. Yes, I know she did something wrong. She offended my husband. Who knows? Maybe she was here to apologize and said that she was sorry. But no, my husband would not listen. He kicked her out immediately. Why would he do such a thing? I don't even like it one bit. They said to err is human and to forgive is divine. Yes, Sister Ifeoma did something wrong. But for my husband to have treated her the way he did, it's totally unacceptable. I mean, it is not easy for somebody to own up to his or her own mistake. For her to have owned up to it, I mean, she's really sorry. It is not easy. You see this word, I am sorry? It is very, very difficult to say. I don't like what my husband did.
Judy, you should be telling your husband all this, not me.
Sharon, you think I've not tried? I have tried talking to my husband ever since that incident, but no, my husband is so adamant about it.
You know my question in all this is, how long do they think they can be separated?
Exactly.
Or are they not going to bury their mother?
Exactly my point. Now you're understanding what I'm saying. Uncle Ibe is the only hope for peace to be restored back to this family. He has a lot of role to play. I need him to man up. I need him to do something. This thing is getting out of hand and I don't like it. Hey!
Just hold yourself together, okay? Just talk to your husband, okay? He'll just come around. I mean, they're siblings. They can't fight forever. Don't worry, he'll come around.
They gave you money, you misuse them. They gave you your own passion, you misuse them. They gave you pants and dollars, you misuse them. They gave you head, you misuse them.
Welcome. Thank God say you come. Hey! Enter inside. Thank God say you come.
Hey, what is your madam?
My madam no dey normal since 1 week now. My mother no dey normal at all. She be like person no dey normal. My mother go just dey sometimes she go just dey cry. Only she go just dey cry, dey cry. Sometimes she go just dey like this, dey look like this. Sometimes she be even Oga Bueze, he don travel. We no know where he dey. He don comot for house. The maid don tire. Even me sef, I no dey tire small small.
Where is she now?
My mother, she go dey inside room. She go dey inside room like this.
Okay, let's go inside. Go and call her for me.
Okay.
Blessing, blessing, Obusaki got him manaro. Inaku, Obusaki Kovarego. Inadina, Ofusego, like say money na water. Even the Judas, Oriego.
Mama, why are you looking like this? Why is your face like this?
Uncle, something bigger than Dente has visited Dente in its burrow.
What is that thing that is bigger than you? Have you forgotten the daughter of who you are? You are Chief Dickie's first daughter. Adaniri Wano. No matter what, the river cannot flow backwards.
Uncle, I'm not even sure I'm still retaining that first daughter title. Because I've disappointed my late father. And wherever he is now, I know he will never forgive me. He'll be so angry with me.
That is why I'm here. There is no problem that is insurmountable by man. So yours will not be an exception.
Oh. Uncle, please, forgive my manners. Welcome. How is everybody in the village?
We are all worried. Everybody is worried. It's now 1 month plus. Chibes, they brought back your mother's corpse from Obodoyibo and disappeared. Nobody has heard from him. We have not heard from you. Neither have we heard from your brothers. Gineneme.
Uncle, a lot has happened. But first, I want you to eat something. Then after your food, we have a lot to discuss. Biko. Let me tell them to prepare something for you to eat. My happiness is that you are here now. Uncle, I was deceived by Chibweze. The only thing I wanted to do was sell that property to bring back our mother's corpse. Since David and his wife refused to bring out money to bring back our I wanted to take money from there, do the needful, and then return the balance to David because he's the rightful owner of the property.
Yes, I understand.
Unfortunately, I never knew Chibeze had another plan. I never knew his eyes was on us selling another property so that he would squander the wealth as usual. Uncle, if this whole world is full of money, Chibeze will squander it all and still ask for another.
Here, squander the money.
Yes, Uncle.
I was even hailing him and praising him, not knowing what he has done. Here.
Uncle, that boy has scattered everything my late father built. He has scattered the happiness and the love we share in this home. David is angry with me. He doesn't want to see me. He said I must return his inheritance. That is the only condition our mother will be buried.
Hi. Kokoriba. Where is that boy Chibeze?
Uncle, I wouldn't know. He should be in Abuja or Lagos. He will probably be in one of these big hotels squandering the money as usual. As if he's one Yahoo boy who never suffered to make money.
Chineke. Squandering the money. Hey!
Uncle, I'm tired. I am so sorry for everything. I just want peace. I am willing to give up my warehouse in main market just for peace to reign. That is the only inheritance our late father willed to me. The only thing I have. But I'm willing to give it out. I'm willing to give it up so that David can just forgive me. I know it's not worth his hostel, but at least that will show that I am so sorry for everything I did. At least I still have our late mother's little business to manage. I can't give up the warehouse. I just want peace. I just want us to be in unity again.
Ifeoma,
Uncle?
Don't worry. I am going to speak with David myself. And I know he's going to listen to me. Even if it means I sleeping in his house, I wouldn't mind.
Oh, thank you, Uncle. I just pray he listens to you. I'm so sorry for everything.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I want to see David.
Oh, you know if you enter, babe. You know go if you enter at all. Now instruction work I do. I don't feel disobey.
Is that what David told you?
Uncle, what he tell me? He say you, Auntie Ifeoma, and the Edochie Ben say anybody from my family make I not open this gate, or else I will lose my job. I beg. Uncle, just I beg understand me. Not my fault. You know that they opened it for you before, but my job is important to me.
Okay, just lock your gate, eh? You won't lose your job.
tired.
Mama is gone. You can see
I'm finished.
no matter how long you fight.
What do I do?
Mama again. Mama is gone. You can see
I know that wherever my father is right now, he will not be happy with me for tearing his family apart. I'm tired.
It is the wife that is instrumental to those instructions. How are we even sure that David gave such instructions? The wife is behind those so-called instructions.
Uncle, I told you that David humiliated me. He sent me out of his house like a common thief, like one rotten, stinking egg. I know that anyone in his shoes would do the same thing, but the humiliation was just too much, Uncle.
It's okay. Remember what I used to tell you? That the only thing that has no solution in life is death. David came from somewhere. His father, same place. It is high time I involved the woman in this matter. Because how can it go?
stop fighting each other. Don't give room for enemies to come. Don't destroy.
Chibueze, where are you? No, I want to know where you are. Where are you? Chibueze, no. No, I do not want to enjoy that kind of money with you. I want to enjoy the money you made from your own hustle, just like other youths of your age. Chibueze, not the money you made from selling properties you do not know how it was acquired. What? Oh, goodness. I am so disappointed in you. I am so disappointed in you and as well ashamed of you. I can't believe that I called you my boyfriend. I settled for you.
Stop fighting.
Alright, I'm letting you go. But that's the reason.
They gave you money, you misuse them. They gave you your own
Should have loved me.
They gave you bombs and
My father was all his fault. My mom also died. Shake this ass, man. Shake it. Life is meant for enjoyment, not meant to be endured. Shake it, baby. Shake it. Shake that shit. Shake it. You have this. Have this. If you need more, tell me. My goodness, what are you doing? Touch me, baby. I want to feel it. Ooh. Oh my God. Right, okay. It's alright, I'm fine. Shake! Keep shaking, baby. Keep shaking, baby. You're not shaking this ass. You're not shaking this ass. Shake it! Shake it! Shake it! Yes! Have yours. This is yours. Enjoy yourself. Let nobody come and tell me what to do because I am enjoying my life.
That's what's up, baby.
Yes, baby. Those that have it in front of are all dead. They didn't go with their wealth, right? So we that are living, we need to eat. Spend this money. You know, money is meant to be spent, right?
Yes, it's meant to be spent.
Oh my goodness. What are we doing? Spend it! Keep shaking the shit. Shake it! Shake it! Yes! Woo! Money is damn good, I know. You too. Oh my goodness.
You misusable. Now you are back to where you did not say. Now you wise your work to where you did not say. No one more.
This is house number 7, Abi.
Any problem?
Okay, here is a parcel for Mr. David Ike.
David Ike or Dike?
David Dike. I'm sure this is his house.
And I just my name.
Sorry. But you need to sign for me here.
What will sign?
I better sign. Make I sure say you receive them.
You're not going to sign. What will happen?
You need to sign up.
You say if I don't sign, what will happen?
Nothing will happen, but sign up for me, I beg. It's important.
Try the job with the
This gets money, they worry you.
They gave you naira, you misusable. Now you are back to where you did not say. Now you wise your work to where you did not say. No one more. I got a no one now.
I don't know if no urgency. And when the delivery boy bring this paper, say now give him for.
Delivery boy. Why is he?
No, come on, but I signed. They make us sign.
You signed without knowing the contents in it. You signed. Omokara Kindred Union, Noka Town. Dear Mr. David Dike, our attention has been drawn to Hello? Hello, baby. Oh yes, a letter was brought for you. Yeah, it stated that you have been summoned by your kindred.
Instead of coming to meet with the homeowner, let us discuss the burial rites. Instead, you are there fighting internal wars amongst yourselves. David, tell me, what is that thing that cannot wait until the dead is laid to rest?
You are the first son of the late chief. You are the one who's supposed to be organizing your late father's family. Rather, you are not scattered. Maybe. Why? Why? Eh?
First of all, I'll start by saying thank you, Alice. I greet you. Thank you. Thank you so much for calling for this meeting. At least to hear my own side. It's very important. Fairness. Very important. Thank you very much.
You are welcome, my son. It's alright. Tell us what happened.
Good. When the doctors diagnosed our late mother of kidney issues, they said she will require kidney transplant, which will cost some huge amount of money. Millions. I did not call on my siblings.
Okay.
I did not tell any of them to bring a dime. Yes, I sponsored it. I footed the bills. Millions of naira. I sent our late mother to India for treatment. I handled all the costs. Unfortunately, we lost our mother. God knows why. God rest her soul. They now said it will cost millions again to bring her body back for burial. I thought about it, it didn't make sense to me. And after all the money I spent on her transplant, it didn't make sense.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you very much, sir. At first I objected, like I said, because it didn't make sense to me. I thought about it, still didn't make sense to me. So I decided to consult my friends and some relatives, including Uncle Ibe. They spoke to me, and after that, they convinced me to spend the money and bring our mother back, bury her here. Now, I'm a married man.
We all know about that.
Of course.
Why?
You know, before taking certain decisions, it's only wise you run it by your wife as well. 2 good heads are better than 1.
That's good.
My wife was of the opinion that it didn't make sense. Why spend 30-something million naira just to bring back a body and bury, when you can bury her over there to be cheaper and even use the money for something else? I mean, if I withdraw 30-something million naira and decide to share it amongst you people, my elders, it makes more sense because you are still alive. You will use this money, alright? I was trying to convince my wife so that both of us will be on the same page. The next thing I heard was that my property had been sold. My hostel. A hostel that I built with my money, out of my sweat, my hard work, when I was doing our father's business when he was alive with him. A property that was handed over to me when our father was sharing his wealth. He gave something to me, gave to my other sister, gave to my brother, gave to all of us. That one was mine. Now my father took the documents and gave to my elder sister, told her to hold it until the right time. That you should hold it till, if something happens and, her mother moves to the great beyond, then the property will be handed, the papers will be handed over to me. Doesn't mean that it belongs to her. It's my property. She sold it without telling me. Sold it for a giveaway price. My own property. Will you tell me not to be mad?
No, tell me. If she does it to any of you, will you be happy?
Only your property. Will you sit here and be laughing with her? Tell me.
It's alright, David. We've heard all you said. It's also proper we hear from your sister.
Huh?
Okay?
Hear from who?
David,
Hear from who? Hear from who? That demon? To say what? No, what? Hi! Oh! Ona, leave my house.
David, wait.
Leave my house, you demon! I don't want to see you in my house. You're a murderer. You're a criminal. Leave my house.
Hear her out. She's also your sister.
Hear her to say what?
David, please, can you just calm down and listen to me? We are brothers and sisters. We have the same mother, the same father. It's the same blood that rose.
Liar is not the same blood. I don't know where you got your own nonsense blood from. Come back to my house. Did you call them when you were selling my property? You won't believe it. Come back to my house.
there's no need for us to wait. Since he's pushing her away, we must follow her immediately.
That is it.
End of meeting.
Yeah. Okay.
Follow her.
That is it.
And that
nonsense.
Nonsense.
No matter what happened, David has no right to push her out of his house in our presence. That is an insult. Who does he think he is?
We've heard what you said, but I have a different opinion. I am of the opinion that we don't dwell on this for now. Let us find a way to settle this issue between these siblings because it's gradually getting out of control.
Exactly my point. Since Ifoma here has shown that she's sorry for what she did, all we need to do is to find a way to appease his mind. For him to let bygone be bygone.
It's alright. In that case, we shall come back here again. Talk with him so that we find out a way to foster peace between them. After all, they're siblings.
Chidike, my brother, your once peaceful home has been torn apart. Hey! Children of these days, you've turned to something else.
Oh, Chimo!
Fine. Welcome. My daughter, you have done what is expected of you. You have done very well. You have done more. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry anymore. We, the elders of this kindred, will not sit idle and watch my late brother's house go in flames. After that, we'll bury your mother. Don't worry anymore.
Thank you, Uncle. I'll be counting on you people.
No problem. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Levi.
Madam.
Please bring my handbag for me.
Okay, madam.
Our mother will not be buried until a farmer returns my inheritance she stole from me.
Listen, David. Don't Dobiko, David. Your sister is willing to hand over the document of the main warehouse in the main market. Eh? This is to show you how sorry she is for what she did to you. Please, Biko, don't do.
Yes. If Foma is willing and ready to forfeit the only inheritance she has, the only thing she has in the whole wide world, just to show you how sorry she is for selling your property without your consent, please forgive her.
I don't want another person's inheritance. I want mine.
David, you know that is not possible. The person who bought that property is not willing to sell it. And if the person is willing to sell it, Ifoma cannot buy the property back. Chibweze eloped with the balance of the money made from the sale of the property. Consider this option.
There's nothing to consider, Uncle. Absolutely nothing to consider. I don't want another person's inheritance. I want mine. If she doesn't return my inheritance she stole from me, there will be no burial anywhere. End of story.
David, what is wrong with you? We left everything we were doing, came here to broker peace between you and your sister, and all you could do is thwart our efforts? Tell me, what is difficult there to forgive?
Mba, I will not take it. Not in my house. You will not come to my house, sit on my chair and shout at me. That is what I will not take. Not in my house. Not even from you, Uncle. No!
You did it the first time we came here. We can't sit here and watch you do it again. David, take your house. Do whatever you want to do with your father's house. And let me warn you, the day you will come tell us you want to bury your mother, that day will be your portion of shame. Ogene, I'm out of here. If you ever see our next year again, cut them to pieces. Nonsense. Get this gate back. Get back, come on, open this gate. Come on, open this gate back. Open this gate.
Yes, his house. That is why he's insulting us for nothing. Can you imagine?
Since David refused to listen to the voice of peace, let him do his wishes. Eh? After all, his late father will not say that we did not do the needful.
Yes. Let's see who will meet the other person in the future. Now that we are talking to him, he's proving stubborn. When he comes to us, we will show him what stubbornness is like.
I got one of your big I tell you. Maybe this is the way I log out. We need to come here to play.
David, I really hope you know what you're doing. I hope you know what you are doing. Eh? What is all this?
This really means a lot to me. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So, down to the reason I called you. Jonathan, this whole family thing is becoming, it's getting out of hand. This whole thing is getting out of hand and it's beginning to bother me. Can you imagine that my own husband sent out the elders that came all the way from the village to have a peace talk with him? My husband sent them out of the house. Old men. Men that are old enough to be his father, my husband sent them out of his own house. Can you imagine that?
Are you serious?
I'm very serious, Jonathan. Please, I want to beg you. We need to do something about it before it is too late.
The truth is that hostel meant a lot to him. It won't be easy now.
Jonathan, I know it will not be easy. That's why I have to involve you. That is why I called you, so that you can help me out. Yes, I know that hostel means a lot to him, but you can't tell me that hostel means more than his family to him.
But you are his wife. You can talk to him as well.
Jonathan, you think I've not tried? I have tried. But you and I know that I was against him spending millions of money just to bring back a dead body. I was against him even when he insisted to talk me into it. I declined. I didn't accept. It was even at this look I heard that they sold the hostel. See, Jonathan, I can't even talk to my husband. I can't talk to him because I was part of the reason they sold that hostel.
Alright. I'll talk to him. I'll do my best.
Thank you so much, Jonathan. If you can do this for me, I will be so grateful because my family is turning upside down and I'm tired. I don't want this whole thing. My husband is not even in good terms with his brother and sisters anymore. Please just help me talk to him. I beg you.
I'll try.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm counting on you.
Alright, you hear from me.
Okay.
My car is back there.
Okay. I was thinking I was going to drop you.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
Right.
Drive safely.
Welcome.
John.
Madam.
What is it?
Madam, you know, say, or guys make another open gate for Auntie Former. Even our Kibe and him brother. Madam, if you see us Auntie Former beef aside, you go pity him. My pity, even the pity him. So I beg you, with church mind. I don't think you know the Sunday, but just use church mind. They can open gate for her. If you see her, you go pity her. Your pity self will pity her. I beg you.
Are you trying to bring her in?
I know you're a good woman. God will surprise you. God will do it for you. Thank you, madam.
Stefan, what is it? What is wrong with you? Why are you looking like this? What happened to you?
Judy, please, I want you to forgive your gate man. I was the one who asked him to let me in. I have a message from my brother, your husband. I also want to beg you to forgive me in any way I've wronged you in the past, please find a place in your heart to forgive me. I've also forgiven you of everything. I am just here to ask for forgiveness.
No! Oh, Sister Ifoma, no! Just look at you! Sister Ifoma, I have forgiven you. I hold no grudges against you. You're scaring me. Why are you looking like this? What is going on? What?
I have a message for David, my brother. Tell him that if anything happens to me tomorrow, my blood will be on his head.
God forbid! Stefoma, God forbid, it will not happen. I don't like this. Please, Stefoma, you need to calm down. What is this?
I beg to take my leave.
No, Sister Ifoma, no, you can't. David needs to do something. He needs to do something immediately. Please now, stand up! Sister Ifoma! Hi! Sister Ifoma! John! Hey! Sister Ifoma, please now, don't do this to me now, please, I beg you! Hey! Sister Ifoma! John! Hey! John! She's still moving. Hello? Hello, baby. I've been trying to reach you now. Why have you not been taking your call? Yes. Your sister, she fainted. She came to the house. She was about leaving the house and then she slumped. It was even John that came in and told me. See, as I'm talking to you now, I'm shaking. Like I'm fidgeting. I could not even drive my car. You don't understand, babe. As we speak now, she's unconscious. Yes, we're on our way to the hospital. I don't even know which hospital. I don't even know the hospital to go to. Okay, yes, St. Joseph, yes. Alright, no problem. Please, you need to come there immediately. You need to come. Alright, no problem. We're on our way there. Alright, I'm expecting you. Hey, I'm John. Please, just drive straight to the St. Joseph Hospital. Drive straight to that place. I hope you know that place.
Joseph, madam, I know.
Oh, John, can you not do this now? Please, I beg you.
I'm confused like this. I know. Okay.
You're supposed to know that place. Now just drive straight, please. Be fast. Hey, Sister Ifoma, please don't do this. Don't do this, please. Don't do this. I told David. David has forgiven you now. This whole thing will not be happening. Look at you. Honestly. Can you add more speed, please? Hey. Stay for me. Stay for me. Stay for me. Please, I beg you.
Hey, babe.
How is she?
Honestly, I don't know. The doctor and nurses are trying to revive her. As I'm talking to you now, she's in the ICU.
ICU?
Yes.
Is she still alive?
Yeah. Where is the fight for the patient?
How is my sister?
By the time she was brought in here, her blood pressure was already high. Too high. 190/110.
Jesus.
Jesus has nothing to do with this, my dear. You see why we keep telling people to always check their BP regularly? You know, sometimes people think that we just make doctors talk. Now see the result.
Okay, so what's her situation now?
It's critical because she's still in coma. But if she survives this, chances are that she might suffer partial stroke.
What are her chances of survival?
Well, 50-50. We tend to do our best and leave the rest to God Almighty.
Can I see her?
She's still in the coma. When she's out from the ICU to the ward, you can see her. And please, one more thing. Before you people leave here, check your BP. No charges. It's very good.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Oh, thank you very much, doctor. Thank you so much.
Excuse me.
No, baby, no, please. Don't do this. Can you just calm down? Please. Calm down. I promise you everything will be fine. Okay?
What have I done? What have I done? God, please. God, please don't let anything happen to my sister. Please. Don't let anything happen to my sister. I don't know what I was doing. Please. Please, God. Ifeoma, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Whatever you did to me, I've forgiven you. Okay? I've forgiven you. I have even forgotten it. I don't even know what you did to me. The one I did, I'm sorry. Please get up. Please don't do this. Get up, please. Father is gone, no. Mother is gone. It's just you. Me and our two siblings. You are the mother and the father. You can't go. You can't go. You can't go if you go. Whatever I did, I'm sorry. What you did to me, I'm forgiving you. Please, don't do this thing you want to do. If anything happens to you, I can't survive it too. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If you're sorry, if I'm sorry, I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. Whatever you did to me is gone. I've forgiven you. Just get up. Please. Get up.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
We don't have parents again. No, we don't have parents. Get up, please.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, please.
Get up.
Oh, yeah. Coma. My own sister. No, what are you talking about? Stop saying this. When did this happen? Jesus. No! Hey, come on. Get off. Get dressed and leave this room. Leave!
Bros, pay us our money. No, you kill our sister.
Easy ma, calm down. Okay, wait down.
You're stupid. The rest I won't pay you.
Please, my money.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. And you. Your mouth is sharp, Abby. Your mouth is sharp. Take your money. Get out!
Okay, easy. Ah. I
I shower.
You don't like him? Why they follow us? Why they follow us?
Fool. Hey, my sister, what happened to you, for God's sake?
Please, God. Please, I don't want anything to happen to her. Hey! Come on, leave the road!
I do not know why, but David hates me so much. That man hates me so much, I don't know why.
He does not hate you. As a matter of fact, he loves you even more than you love yourself. He wants the best for you. He wants you to be useful.
What are you talking about? How can he not give me money whenever I need money? Eh? Whenever I go to him for money, he tells me to go and make that money myself. Why? Makagini? Eh? The money he's enjoying is not my father's money. Is this how my father treated him when he was alive?
Because he wants you to be independent. Yes. They said, teach a man how to make money. I'm not giving that person money. If he keeps giving you, how will you know how to make that money when he no longer gives you? That is why he's trying to let you understand that you need to work. You need to be independent. Not just spending. See, let me tell you. For me, that is true love.
Which
yes,
love?
True love.
Which true love are you talking about? Giving me money is what I understand as true love. Not me having a brother that is buoyant and capable, financially stable, and not showing me love. You say I should take that person as my brother. No, I will not do that. That is not common nonsense. I know go true love. If you give me money, that is true love.
There's no problem. Keep collecting. But very soon, very soon, you will understand what David is trying to do. He's helping you. He is helping you.
Okay.
Yes, that is love.
Let's wait until that time. Yes, sister.
Okay, brother.
Do you have any 200,000 you are not using again? I want to use it and sort out some bills.
Have you ever seen somebody that has money and is not using it?
Spare this one for me.
I hear that say spare.
I need it urgently.
Urgently?
There are people I'm owing, so I want to settle them.
Chibes, owing? Ejogo?
Even the country we are living is owing.
See, it's the same thing we are saying. Okay, see, now you want me to give you money.
Leave that one. Will you give me or not?
That is what I'm saying, because I might not be here tomorrow to continue this giving. Learn how to make money.
Sister, wait. Are you giving me the money or not?
I will give you the money.
This is what I call true love. You know I love you so much, sister. See, among my siblings, you are the only one I love so much because you take care of me and you are really dancing to the tune of from her late mother. Sister.
200,000 now, I will go me your best love. Because of money.
I love you so much.
There's a change. Also, change.
When money comes.
This one, please. Forgive me. For the sake of my sister, please, if she died, I am gone. I'm gone forever. Please, God. Please, God. God. Save my sister for me, please, God. Leave the road, you fucking bastard!
nothing.
That made that kill you.
I'm sorry, sir.
Where's my sister?
Where's
the ward?
Who's your sister?
From Adike.
Let me check her phone, sir.
Which file? Sister, please wake up, please. Sister, wake up now. Please open your eyes. Open your eyes, please. Oh my goodness, please. See, please. If you open your eyes, I'm going to be a changed person. Please, I'm a changed person right now. I'm changed. I'm no longer a prodigal son. I know I'm responsible for this condition, but please, wake up. I promise, once you wake up right now, I am going to transfer the remains of all the money in my account to you. I've not finished spending them. Please. Just wake up. Sister, wake up now. Wake up. I promise to join you in Mama's business. Remember you told me to join Mama's business so I can learn the business. I'm ready. Sister, wake up now. Wake up, please. Open your eyes, please. I'm no longer a prodigal son. I'm a changed person. I'm sorry.
Good morning, sir. Go home, it's morning already.
Are you stupid? Why do you have to tell me to go home? Have you got nuts? You don't have courtesy? Huh? No. Who are you to tell me where to stay or go?
Sorry, sir. I want to tidy up this place.
That is what you're supposed to tell me, not telling me where to go or stay. Do you never have a home? Cultured element. Leave the road, you bloated fool.
Babe, why are you doing this to yourself? You're hurting yourself. What you're doing is not nice. Sweetheart, I'm sure God sees your heart and I'm sure He's going to answer your prayers. But please, you have to eat and go about your day-to-day routine so you don't fall sick.
I'm not hungry.
No, you can't say that to me. You can't. You've not eaten since your sister's incident.
That's because I'm not hungry.
My husband. Won't call mom. Is okay. Please, my love, you have to eat something. Okay? At least if not for anything, you need to stay strong for your sister. Please. Excuse me? Hello? Yes. It's a lie. Sister Ifeoma is up and strong? Thank goodness. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
My sister is awake?
Yes! Nurse Choma just called. She said your sister does not even have stroke at all, that she's healthy, that she's awake, she's healthy. BBC, I told you.
Sorry.
Okay, but I need to pick up something too. I don't want to fall.
I'm sorry. It's okay. You see anything? I've forgiven you.
Thank God Almighty. Peace has finally returned to my late brother's family. I'm the happiest man on earth now. We should strive to maintain this peace. Let nothing again put your people asunder.
Uncle, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for standing by us in all this crucial time. Really appreciate, and I appreciate you. I also want to use this medium to ask for forgiveness from my older brother, Brother David, and my sister here. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry for hurting you with words. I'm sorry for the hooliganism. I'm sorry for all the bad things that I've said. I wasn't really doing that with my clear eyes. I wasn't doing that with my right senses. But please, find it in your heart to forgive me. I am truly sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. You know I've forgiven you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's alright. It's alright. I've already forgiven you. Yes, you're my only brother. My younger brother. Right? It's nothing. But the change should start by you getting married soon. And very soon. You're no longer a child. Yes, you should have your own family now.
Well, I thought it was supposed to be a surprise. But you've said it already, so it's all good. Well, I'm getting married next month.
Next month?
Next month.
So soon? Hey, we can't wait to see this lucky bride.
Yes.
How are you?
William.
All set to go. All set to go.
All set to go. You're welcome.
This is the young, beautiful girl I've been telling you about. So I've come to officially introduce her to you.
Hey.
As a Jopalan, as a mark of respect.
Good afternoon.
Hey!
Oh, Nemo, you're welcome.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Oh, that's good. You're welcome.
Hey, babe, look at her. She's so pretty.
Yes. Nice. I trust my brother. You know, when you were introducing her, I was just studying. I was waiting to see what she would do by the time you're done. When you were done, she went down my head. Very important. She looks like somebody who has very good home training.
Yes.
I like that.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for welcoming me in your home.
You're welcome. I'm happy for you, bro.
Thank you.
It's about time.
Yes, about time.
Alright, let me go straight into it. Once we're done for today, once we're done enjoying ourselves, you will send me your account details. I'll give you 20 million naira. Now listen, the 20 million naira is for both of you to put heads together. Find a very good business you'll invest in. Both of you. 2 good heads are better than 1.
Hey! Odogo one Jeko! My goodness. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oriakum. Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you so much.
Come on, the wife.
Oh my God. I'm going to forget. Thank you.
You know, this can't be possible without.
I
Hi.
I'm going to forget you.
Hello.
Thank you so much. I mean, we are honored. Thank you. And I promise we'll deliver this time. I mean, this is not time for stories anymore.
Not time.
Thank you, sir.
Well, you know, the money I'm giving to you, it's not for your wedding. Yes, this one is for business. As for your wedding, your traditional marriage, white wedding, put the cost together, send the bill to me. I'll take care of it.
Time! Isimili! That is the reason why I call him Isimili. Have you seen it? Yes. Because he is the qualified son, first son of my parents. Isimili! Hey! Thank you so much. I'm honored so much. Thank you so much.
My brother.
Oh!
I love you.
Congratulations.
Anytime, any day.
Oh!
Anytime.
William.
Congratulations. I'm so happy.
Mama is gone, you can see her again. No matter how long you fight, you can see Mama again. Mama is gone, you can see her again. No matter how long you fight, you can see Mama again. 2 brothers fighting, this is dangerous. Lovely family has turned to enemies. Siblings fighting, this is dangerous. Lovely family has turned to enemies. Why do you want to kill yourself? This is dangerous. Why do you want to destroy yourself? Has turned to